Hey guys, it's Sarah. Hope you guys are all doing amazing. Today I have this super cute Dollar Tree DIY that I wanted to share. If you're looking for an idea of what to give your teacher for a gift for Valentine's Day, for your friend, for your kids, these little monkeys are so stinking cute and they take like no time at all to make. So I hope that you guys enjoy. Let's get started. So here's everything that you're going to need. I picked up one of these plushy monkeys. They have like stretchable arms, so they're going to be able to adhere to the DIY project really easy, but they have a bunch of different plushies at the Dollar Tree. One of the mini mailboxes. They also have the bigger size, but I definitely think the mini mailbox is best, and the one that I saw online, she used the mini mailbox, so I definitely would suggest picking one up, but they have them in different colors and patterns and stuff. You're going to need some type of stick from the toy section. This is a giant bubble maker and it worked really well, so I would suggest picking up one of these. I'm also going to be using one of these glass containers. These also are in the houseware section with the plates and the cups. You could use a plastic container if you want it to be a little bit more safer if your kid's going to be taking it into school and carrying it. The last thing that I picked up I got from Walmart because I wanted to get a bigger bag of the Hershey Kisses. This was $2.98, but the Dollar Tree does sell smaller bags. So to get started, we're going to open up the bubble maker and we're going to take it all apart. We're going to cut off the little fabric part and we're just going to be using the plastic stick. This is going to go inside of the bowl. We're going to use some E6000 and a mixture of hot glue because it helps it adhere really quickly. With glass, you definitely want to use E6000. So you are going to take it apart and we're just going to be using the plastic part. You want to make sure that it's going to be able to stand up and dry and let it dry for a little bit. Of course, the E6000 does take at least 24 hours to bond, but with the hot glue, it makes it adhere a little bit quicker. So now we're going to move on to adding the mailbox to the top of the stick. We're going to use the same mixture of E6000 and hot glue. We're going to put it on the top of the stick and then we're going to place the mailbox on top of that. So you don't really have to do this next step, but I found that these monkeys are super floppy. So what I did is I took some of this wire, I don't know what this stuff is called, but it basically makes things bendy and movable. I'm sticking it in the back of the monkey so that when he sits up on the bowl, he can sit up really nicely and he doesn't just flop around. I did the same thing inside of his arms so that I can maneuver and structure his arms a little bit better. You don't have to do this, it does just sit up, but I definitely think it's a nice added step, especially if you're going to be giving this as a gift. So once you've given your mailbox and stick little bowl situation a good amount of time to dry, you want to go ahead and glue your monkey onto the mailbox. You want to position his arms and you really are just going to have to play around with it. You can use my picture for reference or I'll have a link to the Facebook group where I found this idea. But you just want to maneuver it so that it looks like the monkey is actually dumping over the mailbox. Now is the fun part. Placing all of the Hershey Kisses is the best part. All we're using is hot glue and we're just going to stick them around the pole and make sure that it looks like it's falling out of the mailbox. Once you add all your Hershey Kisses around this stick, you're not going to be able to see it, so it's going to look like it's actually just falling out of the mailbox. You can take all of these Hershey Kisses off just by removing the chocolate from the inside of the paper, so you don't have to worry about the hot glue touching the candy or anything like that. So this is going to be the most tedious part of the whole DIY, but it is the most rewarding. Just one thing that I noticed from doing the project is sometimes the Hershey Kisses are going to stick to the other wrappers, so you don't have to really worry about it actually sticking to the stick. You want to make sure that it actually looks like they're upside down, falling out of the container, and not all like sideways, because if you adhere it to the stick, most of them will be sideways, but if you adhere it to each other, they can look like it has like that cascading falling effect. So here's how it looks when it's all finished. I think it turned out so stinking cute. It was so easy to do. The drying time is what took the longest, but I love the way that it turned out. I think this makes a great gift for your teachers, or you can give it to your kids as a gift, or you can just put it on your shelf and it can just look super cute. So I love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you try it, don't forget to tag me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. I would love to see. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. It helps me out so stinking much. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel yet, girl, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, click that subscribe button. I would love to have you. Like always, I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you guys next time for another video. Bye, guys.